This petition is closed. However, leaving the petitioner to agitate the issues in the complaint to register.
Public.
Of a case, my lord.
Listing and upgradation, please give it to the court master.
My lord.
Operation. May please, your lordship, the item 33, lordship, my friend is wrongly mentioned, lordship, for listing, lordship, the add-on for day, lordship.
33.
33. Earlier order, lordship, the list after 1 week, lordship, he wrongly mentioned my friend. lordship.
By order.
By order wrongly mentioned, lordship. He is the mentioned the other case, but
No,
he mentioned
let
this
us have it. Once it is listed, we'll see. There are requests for adjournment of
lordship
few
for
items.
the
Item
correction of the
9
amendment
and
page,
10.
lordship.
4, 9, 10, and 25. Eight, 4, 8 and 9 are together. Then 8, 9 and 10 are together. 8, 9, 10 together. With 11. 11 is also together. With and 25. Both sides are represented. Advanced adjournments people circulated in the matter for adjournment. Accordingly, on the prayer made by unconstitutional petition, the matter is adjourned today. List. These are all 16 matters. Give a date after you again. This one, let's go.
27 October.
Yes.
My lord, item number 26, my lord. May I pray for upgradation, my lord, some urgency. There
Give it to the court master.
My-
We are spending too much time in upgradation. Give it to the court master.
May I please, lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, lordship, prayer for adjourn, lordship, today.
20.
3, daily list.
Both sides are represented on the prayer made by unconstitutional petition. Please stop entering. Majority.
May I
Publish
please, your
list.
lord. Prayer for adjournment of item number 24, your lord.
24.
24.
Okay, same.
Much obliged.
Just item number 17 also, you know. 17,
17.
yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15 and 16.
15 and 16.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Daily list item 1 for motion.
Lordship.
This is the best document you have to connect you to your projected parents.
Lordship, copy of NRC 1951, page 79.
Don't go by NRC or the voters list, any other document you have except the voters list or NRC.
Lordship, land document.
Where is that page?
Land document page 90, page 99.
99.
99. Petitioner page 99.
Just
Lordship.
Where is the document? Where is it? Where is the document?
At serial number 7, Lordship, petitioner name was recorded. Petitioner father had possessing a plot of land situated at Patamari. After death of his father, petitioner name has been recorded in the land document at serial 7.
That document was exhibit number
Exhibit 12,
12.
Lordship. Lordship, another land document I have annexed sale.
Yes, Lordship. Exhibit 12, Lordship Patta, periodic chaos Patta. Yes. Exhibit 13. 919. Yes, Lordship. Yes. Yes, Lordship. Official. It's 18,728. Yes. Lordship. Hmm. No. Yes. Yes, yes. Lordship.
A sells you a land. A plot of land you purchased. Now, do you expect A to live in that land after selling it to you? No. So, is it your responsibility to search for him after you purchase that land?
Yes.
It's your duty. Have you ever done so? You must have land.
Yes, Lordship.
Are you keeping a track of the original owner who sold you the land? Are you tracking that man who has sold you the land? You've not understood.
No, Lord. Sorry, Lord.
You see, A has sold you the land.
Hmm.
You are the owner of the land now.
Yes, yes.
You don't expect A to be on the land after you purchase it.
No, no.
So after purchasing, do you keep a track of the seller?
No. No.
No. So therefore, the tribunal pays 75 rights. That sale deed is not proved in accordance with law.
Yes, Lord.
Correct? Page 75. Just before 16, para 16. That's why we are asking you. If it is your title deed,
Hmm.
are you expecting Islam to come there and prove it?
No, Lordship. Actually,
Page 75,
yes.
just before para 16, 4-5 lines. Exhibited a the PK patta of the land,
Hmm.
deed dated so and so, and another deed dated so and so. I'm just asking you, if you have a patta, if you have a sale deed, whom do you expect to come and prove it?
Yes, lordship. Yes, lordship, here thing is something different, lordship. Here's thing is something different, lordship.
How?
Yes, lordship, here a reference was missed against one Joinal Abidin. And lordship, he has to establish his link with his projected.
No, we understand.
interest.
But he is producing a 1928 deed. How else he is prove it? You don't expect somebody to give original sale deed, original patta to XYZ to go and prove ownership.
Lord.
They has produced a document saying that this man is my father.
Mm.
You see, the rejection is not on the ground that the authenticity of the sale deed is disbelieved because he is not the father.
Yes, yes, lordship.
He says that this is not proved in accordance with law. We are just trying to understand what is the parameter to prove it. You are the owner of a land.
Yeah.
Whom do you expect to come and prove your land? At page 109 is another sale deed of his name in Sciences 55.
Lordship, let me go through the record properly and lordship may pick it on Monday, lordship. I will apply to lordship.
We are granting bail to the petitioner.
Lord.
This is not how it should be done. Few days more and we'll forget civil side altogether. And
A Hussain.
A
A Hussain.
and
I'm
Hussein.
A Hussain.
N.
Jora Hussain.
A Hussein.
I'm appearing on behalf of J. Ahmed. My name is not there in Wakalatnama.
It's not there. Okay, good. Mr. Ahmed,
My lord.
according to you, she is doing good or better?
More than well.
Thank you.
I rely.
Thank you for encouraging her. You sent and counsel for the petitioner as well as for the respondents. Next part. Hearing on behalf of Mr. J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner on record. Who is supported by, who is also supported by Mr. J. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner on record. Like that, huh? As well as counsel for the respondents. Next para. Pursuant to the order dated 18/8/2025, the records of the tribunal is received. To stop, it may be stated that keeping the issue of maintainability open, the notice has already been issued by order dated 14/9/2025. Next para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has pressed her prayer for bail for the petitioner. Next para. Be that as it may, in view of the delay of more than 6 years in filing the writ petition, the issue of maintainability is still kept open. Next para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has referred to the pre-1966 documents to assert that the petitioner has documents to show that he along with his father were residents of the state of Assam prior to 1/1/1966. And she has specifically referred to the rejection of those documents by the learned foreigners tribunal. Next paragraph. Whether as it may, as the in view of the nature of projection made in this writ petition, the court is inclined to not that just say the prayer for bail is opposed by the learned standing counsel for the active matters. Next paragraph. In view of the projection made in this writ petition, the court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, namely so and so. 10 days time to take bail of rupees 5,000 to the satisfaction of Superintendent of Police Border. Which place? Baksa.
Yes.
Okay. Next, as the records are received, court is inclined to issue rule returnable forthwith without requiring any press steps to be taken. Next paragraph, the learned standing counsel for the active matters has prayed to allow him to retain the records of the tribunal for closing and to address the vote. Next, it's permitted to retain the records. Next paragraph. This is the matter for hearing in the month of November 2025.
Item 5.
Please get it signed.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, impugn opinion dated 19/6/2025 at page 156, lordship. 156.
156.
M. Hussain on behalf of Ireland.
Mr. M. Hussain, appearing on behalf of Mr. R. Ali, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard the learned counsel appearing for the respondents. By preparing this petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has assailed the opinion rendered on 19/6/2025 by Foreigners Tribunal, Metro First in FT case number 5933 of 2011, page 156. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Since the respondents are represented, formal steps are dispensed with. However, extra copies within a period of 3 working days from today. All for the TCR. Third, on the prayer for grant of interim bail. Although the said prayer is objected by the learned counsel for the respondents, in view of the projection made in the writ petition, we are inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, subject to the conditions. petitioner shall appear before the SP,
Border,
sorry,
CP
DCP border Kamruk.
city Guwahati.
Hmm?
SP border,
DCP border
Kamruk.
Kamruk Metro. And so in case of this failure,
Deeply blessed. Yes. Deeply blessed.
Item 6.
May I please? Impugned order is page 65, madam. 65.
Why 1 year late?
Lord,
Why 1 year late? You got the certified copies in September 2024.
my lord.
This is September 2025.
There is my lord, financial funds.
Huh?
Only because my financial funds, my lord.
You are Mr.
J. Ahmed.
J.
A. Ahmed.
J. A. Ahmed. And the counsel appearing for the petitioner, also have the learned counsel for the respondents. The opinion rendered on 7/8/2023 by the member Foreigners Tribunal, Port Nagaon, in FT case number 56 of 2017 has been assailed in this writ petition. Page 65 of the issue notice, returnable 4 weeks. Since the respondents are represented, no formal notices are dispensed with. Extra copies within a period of 3 working days from today. Call for the TCR. Prayer for bail shall be considered on receipt of the TCR. However, in the interim, it is provided if the petitioner is apprehended, she shall not be deported without further orders of this court. Petitioner shall cause production of certified copy of this order before the Superintendent of Police Border Nagaon to bring this order to his notice. List on date certificate. 29 October.
Published.
Item 7.
Yes, Lordship. My lord, phase 57, 56 is the imperial order.
What is page 44?
Phase 44, my lord, earlier it was remanded by my lord. By this honorable
Now
court, my lord.
fresh.
In lordship, after remanding them, this is the opinion, phase 56.
You are Mr.
M. Ali.
But Mr. M. Ali Learned Counsel for the petitioner also heard Learned Counsel for the respondents. The opinion rendered on 28/11/2024 by the members Foreigner Tribunal Court, Goalpara, Assam, in FT case number FT within bracket capital G dash numerical 4 bracket close 571 of 60. Page 60 of 56 also has been sealed in this petition whereby the petitioner had been declared to be a foreigner who entered India illegally after 25/3/1971. Issue notice returnable 4 weeks. Formal steps dispensed with, however, extra copies within a period of 3 working days from today. Called for the PCR. Heard on the prayer for interim bail. The Learned Counsel for the respondents opposes the prayer for interim bail. However, in view of the projection made in the writ petition, we are inclined to grant bail to the petitioner subject to the following conditions. The petitioner should appear before the SP
Border Goalpara.
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 Goalpara. Within a period of 7 days. List after list of the trial court records. Failure to appear. Failure to appear.
Obliged. Obliged.
Supplementary item 33.
No payment for all. No payment. No, very good. Lower national police. Oh, crucial sector can do I know? Lordship, the adjourn the matter, Lordship, the page number 3 for the amendment, Lordship, the respond number 6, Lordship, the superintendent of police, border, Kamrup Metro. Lordship, the correct, Lordship, I not take Lordship. Lordship, my friend wrongly mentioned, Lordship. He is mentioned the other case, but he mentioned this case. Lord. After vacation, Lord. Lordship. Lordship would do this matter with liberty. Highly appreciated. Lordship. Diploma.
Item 34.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, opinion is at page 24, Lordship. Dated is 28 to 2025, Lordship. Lordship, earlier it was remanded back, Lordship, but it was not considered, so I filed fresh, Lordship. I have annexed the order sheet, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. I have annexed the order, Lordship, at page number 199, Lordship. Page 199, Lordship, annexure 4. Borpeta, Lordship. Deeply obliged.
35.
Yes, Lordship. Opinion dated Lordship 02/01/2024, page 29, Lordship. Lordship, I'm entry may be granted, Lordship, because I filed within a year, Lordship.
No, no.
No. That's. Deeply obliged.
36.
Yes, my lord. Kindly come on page number 73, your lordship. Final order and opinion, your lordship. It's a contested matter. 73. 73. My lord. Seven. Use order. See, yes, my lord, is contested matter, also final order and opinion. The order dated, my lord, 11/4/2025, your lordship. Yes, Islam.
Thirty-seven.
This is also contested matter, your lordship. Kindly come on page number 74, your lordship. The order dated, your lordship, 11/8/2025. Last of the page, bottom.
Upgrade identity.
Highly obvious.
Lordship, 26. Just give me 5 minutes, sir. 5 minutes. The senior is coming.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am. My lord, in this case, my lord, the interim was not granted and the LCR was called for. So far the petitioner is concerned, his father's name appeared in the voter list of 1966 onwards, my lord. And the petitioner's link document in the voter list from 2008, my lord, onwards, my lord. Lordship,
What is the reason for not appearing before the tribunal? What is the explanation you have given?
Why did you not appear before the tribunal? Why didn't you go ex parte?
my lord, my lord, I have stated in paragraph 6, my lord. Paragraph 6, my lord, actually, I was not aware that the case was proceeded against him, my lord. When the police visited his house, he came to know and immediately copy obtained and filed this present case, my lord. It was hanged, otherwise, my lord. Lordship, in the impugn order also it is stated that notice was not properly served, my lord. I have also annexed the entire order's copy, my lord. All copies, my lord, page number 34 onwards, my lord. My lord, which reflects that notice was not served, my lord. Page number 34 onwards, my lord, all the orders I have annexed.
You intend to send back them to allow the petitioner to contest the proceeding.
I think notice
We'll show you,
the file have been compiled.
no, we'll show you why. See page 7, 8. And at page 9, we are marking the paragraph for you. Seven, 8, and then page 9. Here's the part. You've seen that? Now you see, you have read that these two paragraphs below that, huh?
Now I along with my motor stuff have some data left in the PS for the person की बाजार under social PS for inquire about the social state suspect in the case. Now I along with my motor staff reached at the state PU and started inquiry about the case suspect of the case. Now I meet with the state
house owner, Dr. Odol Lafort, at the chamber at Basanti Bazar and asked him regarding whereabouts of the contract aspect of the case. In response to my question, he replied that if the suspect of the case was in there as a tenant at his boundary and uh, was a fellow blur by mm, by profession, but has already vacated his residential rented and laid this place to unknown place about 4 5 months back to a unknown place.
Now, please see, you have seen paragraphs of page 8 and 9.
Yes, page 8 and 9, 19. Okay.
Yes. No, other pages are not required. You have seen page 8 and 9.
I had seen this.
What is the address given?
Oh, yes,
Dolgaon.
yes,
And Guwahati address is also given.
yes.
Correct. Come to page 40.
Complete.
Read petition.
Now, Mr. Sharma, first question is on page 8 and 9. How does the SP know the Dolgaon address?
Yes, look, earlier occasion also look with that kind of.
So you suspect someone, but the SP knows his Dolgaon address.
Yes,
And you say that the Guwahati address is this.
yes,
The inquiry, when the police went for the first time in 2012, the man is not there.
yes,
Correct. Now come to page 40. In the middle, Dr. Ajay Laukar, so and so,
near Basanti Bazar.
who was hired for construction of boundary wire, etc.
Yes, yes.
Definitely the police knows where he is.
Yes, sorry.
The inquiry was never sent to the original home.
Yes.
If you want a liver to permanently remain, and there was no inquiry, he was not put to notice not to change the address.
Yes.
Then I would have understood that if he is during inquiry he was there and then changes address. In the inquiry he was never there, but the SP knows home address. And they will know about the home address without catching that man.
If they are silent regarding this address topic, then it comes to impact a personal.
Have to send it back. The address is there.
Now he knows. Now he knows. Now he goes and participates.
Yes,
The documents, it will not take much time for an opinion.
yes, yes, look, I have seen.
Send back the records.
You know, right? heard Mr. A. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard respondent. By filing this writ petition under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has challenged the ex parte opinion rendered on 38/2023 passed by the learned member Foreigners Tribunal, both Kamrup Assam in FT case number 1024 of 2017, arising out of FT case number 350 of 11, order dated 28/2025 of the court. The trial court records requisition by order dated 28/2025 have been received and have been perused. Stop. At the request of the learned counsel for the parties, the matter has been taken up for disposal in view of the short issue raised by the petitioner. Mr. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the perusal of the orders of the tribunal would reveal that the notice of the proceedings was never served upon the petitioner, and therefore he could not avail the opportunity of defending himself effectively before the learned tribunal. On the contrary, P. G. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the FT matters, learned standing counsel appearing for the FT matters, has submitted that the notices were there were attempts to serve the notice on the petitioner at his address as given given at Satgaon, Guwahati. However, when the same could not be served upon him, the concerned authority had taken the witness of the house owner of the last known place of residence of the petitioner to the effect that the petitioner had left his place of residence and thereafter had fixed a copy of the notice on the last known address of the petitioner, and therefore service in accordance with law was deemed to have been effected by the learned tribunal. Full stop. He submits that there is no error in such assumption by the tribunal, and therefore this writ petition does not require further consideration of this. We have gone through the records received from the learned tribunal. It is noticed that the inquiry was initiated on 27/7/2011 by the Senior Superintendent of Police Border, City Guwahati, by endorsing the matter to one S. Shakshi Gopal Sharma, SI within bracket B, giving two addresses of the petitioner, one at Dolgaon, Dorong, Assam, and the other near Basanti Bazar, Police Station, Satgaon, Guwahati. Records further reveal that when the inquiry was made on 13/1/2012, the inquiry officer had visited the residence and known residence at Guwahati, where the house owner had informed him that the petitioner had already vacated his rented premises and left the place nearly 4 or 5 months back to an unknown place. the records reveal that the notices of the notices issued by the tribunal on the petitioner were sought to be served at the address given at Satgaon, Guwahati, and an endorsement was also given by the process server that the house owner of the premises where the petitioner had earlier resided had given a statement that the petitioner had left the premises and the whereabouts were not presently known to him. Stop. What we notice here is the house owner had further stated that the petitioner had been engaged to build the brick boundary wall, and after completion of job, now he is no longer there. Stop. Next para. What we have noticed here is that the petitioner had left the address at Satgaon, Guwahati, even prior to the inquiry having been initiated upon him in the year 2011. In such circumstances, we are of the view that the petitioner had not been put to notice of the inquiry since he was not contacted at that point of time also. The provisions of P5 (5) of the Foreigners Tribunal's Order 1964 provide that the notice shall be served at the address where the proceedee last resided or reportedly resides or works for gain. And in case of change of place of residence, which has been duly intimated in writing to the investigating agency by the alleged person, it shall be served at such change address by the Foreigner Tribunal. In the present case, we find that the address at Guwahati was, the petitioner was never contacted by the investigating agency at his Guwahati address. And further, when the notice from the tribunal was sought to be served upon him, there were specific statements made by the witness that the petitioner was not there after completion of the construction of the brick wall. In such circumstances, we do not find that the attempt of the process server to serve the notice only at a place where the petitioner was not found even during the investigation would serve the purposes of duly serving the notice of the tribunal on the petitioner. Next para. In view of the exceptional circumstances of the present case, we are inclined to set aside the ex parte order dated 38/2020 passed against the petitioner. Order opinion ex parte opinion dated 38/2020 passed by the member Foreigners Tribunal, Kamrup, page 39 of the report. Only on the ground that the petitioner was not duly served the notices of the proceedings before the tribunal in accordance with law. On setting aside of this impugned opinion, the matter is now remanded back to the tribunal to render its opinion upon the citizenship of the petitioner in accordance with law. Since the petitioner is already at notice of a proceeding pending against him before the learned tribunal, it is provided that the petitioner shall appear before the learned tribunal on immediate. When will you appear before the tribunal now?
My lord, 30 days time.
2410, on 24/10/2025, without requirement of further notice.
My lord, he is in the jail, he in the custody.
Huh?
My lord.
Get you released. On setting aside, will get you released. It is submitted that the petitioner is in custody
Custody, from 2nd of June, my lord.
from 2nd of July,
June,
2nd of June.
2/6/2000.
2025.
2/6.
2025.
No, my lord,
At transit camp at Matia, Gwalpara.
Gwalpara.
Matia Gwalpara, stop. On setting aside of the orders of the impugned opinion of the learned tribunal, it is directed that the petitioner shall be released from custody of the detention camp, of the transit camp. Transit camp. His family members are permitted to, on appearance before the learned tribunal, the petitioner shall file his written statement and evidence on affidavit. It is provided that the petitioner shall incorporate these proceedings in the tribunal without causing undue delay.
No, my lords.
The records of the tribunal be sent back forthwith along with the copy of this order for its doing the further need. Anything else? No.
Upgraded item 27.
Maybe lordship. This case, my lord, the petitioner is the 72 years, my lord. In custody, my lord. My lord, page 10, my lord. And he's suffering various serious ailment, my lord, in treatment in the Golbara Civil Hospital. As well, he was admitted, my lord. GMC also, my lord. And all the medical report also we annexed, my lord. And now as per my information, a major operation is required and kidney problem, my lord. And it's my lord, the annexer, my lord, the regarding disease, my lord. And 72 years, my lord. So at page 18 to onward, my lord, the accession, my lord. My lord, suffering, my lord, I stated in my para 11. This is the, and maybe also in taxation also there, this is the disease, my lord, page 11, annex, para number 7. Opaye, yes, my lord, opaye. As per prescribed by the doctor, this is, he was suffering, my lord, additionally suffering, my lord. Mainly, my lord, lung problem and kidney problem is very much serious, my lord. Is unable to, and this is the, he also admitted, my lord, petitioner. So, considering, my lord, the age and ailment, my lord. Yes, my lord, yes. Page 18 and onward, my lord. Yes, my lord, I have come, my lord. Opinion, my lord, page 31, and my lord, doctor section 33, and type page, my lord, 31, my lord. This is the, and many and custody petition, custody, my lord. Discharge series, my lord. And more 1 year in custody, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Then review was filed, my lord. Only, my lord, at that time. Yes, my lord. Written statement and WS, my lord. My lord, there have to file the review, my lord. That review is pending, my lord. When the review is pending, my lord, the petitioner was custody, my lord. Petitioner declare was foreigner, my lord. And the petitioner 12/11/2018, my lord. 12/11/2018. That, my lord. And the same condition, the two brothers, my lord, approach this honorable, one is allowed, another is not allowed. And that was, my lord, in my review petition. On that ground, I leave, my lord. My lord, and basically, my lord, as per my information, his kidney is too much problem, my lord. Kidney problem, my lord. Surgery is prepared immediately, surgery is done, my lord. And age also, my lord, at present 72 years, my lord. And more than 1 year in custody, my lord. Yes, my lord, my brother. Allowed. My lord, in that remand the matter, my lord. That is the. Yes, my lord. As per my information, my lord. 18, my lord. And yes, my lord. 18, my lord. As per my mission, I am not aware of the Hamid, my lord, whether the case is pending or disposal. Yes, my lord. But matter was remanded, my lord. Hamid case, my lord. Whether the matter was disposed or not yet. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Then, my lord, and then, my lord, sometime maybe allow me, I'll contact with my client whether he is declared or not the case was regarding the Hamid case, my lord. Only telephonic information. Yes, my lord. That is all. Yes. Yes, my lord. Only what I mean is, I don't telephonic information. Then.
Ari,
My lord.
you see, you have taken more than a year's time for examination of DW. After 1 year,
My
you
lord,
take a
case
plea
is
that
that,
I
my
will be
lord.
allowed to file an additional written statement.
My lord,
That was
case is that,
rejected.
my lord, when the earlier engaged counsel, he did not find any document, my lord. Subsequently, engaged counsel was engaged. And when he see the document, he filed the petition, my lord, for submitting the written statement as well as, my lord, evidences, my lord. That was not allowed, my lord.
But rightly so, you see, come to page 69,
69.
69 of the review petition.
Oh, my lord.
Third paragraph, OP is present after appearance, OP filed a written statement on so-and-so on subsequent date. So-and-so, there are
Yes, my lord, I've got it.
2 dates he remained present. On last 2 occasions, he was one to be present for his examination. So everything else fails, then written statement. That, rightly rejected.
But, I am not dispute that, my lord. The allegation is the same. Both the, my lord, Hamid account and the present petitioner, both are the brother, and the same day, same allegation is the same, my lord. But one is allowed, this was not allowed, my lord. That's why, and review petition, that this is the only the plea, my lord. So my, at this stage, my lord, regarding the bail, my lord, my humble submission that the petitioner is 72 years in suffering, my lord, various serious ill, my lord. So the later, the next week, another day in time, I consider my bail, my lord. Only consider for some time, my lord, bail. If that petition is not allowed, your lordship passed any consequential order, I am expected that orders, my lord. But at this stage, my lord, the condition of the petitioner, my lord, and the age ground and the disease, my lord, that and major operation is shortly done, my lord. Any condition, my lord?
Some information on the
Meet, my lord.
other,
Yes,
other petition, what has happened with the other proceeding? Although it will be wholly unconnected, what he tries to prove and what
Yes.
you try to prove, because we have also found some difference in his case and your case in so far as the allowing of the filing of the additional statement, written statement is to be granted or not. There is some difference in both the orders.
Yes.
So if you can tell us what has happened to that matter,
Yes, my lord.
have it on Monday.
My lord, to my lord, I will just telephonic information, my lord, I will get. That yes, my lord, at two, I will get the telephonic information regarding his brothers.
Item 28.
Hello, Blush.
Meet with your lordship. Lordship, we have taken steps, but lordship, as per office note, it is 17/9/2025, lordship service report is yet to be received. Lordship, in the IA for delay. Lordship.
Office note dated 17/9/2025, neither the AD card nor the answer notice in respect of the respondents is received back. Next part. Permit the Learned Counsel for the applicant to collect the postal receipt number and to submit postal track report prior to the next date of listing. List on when
Lordship, Lordship after two weeks, Lordship.
It goes after vacation then.
Lordship after vacation. Lordship on 22nd of October, no?
22nd. You make it 24th.
Lordship 24th.
Because immediately after,
After Diwali
no,
vacation.
because that will be immediately after Diwali.
Lordship,
There will be. Okay.
deeply obliged.
29.
May it please your lordship. Here, as per the office note dated, neither PD card nor answer notices has been received. So the service may be awaited on the respondents.
Same thing, you collect the postal receipt number and tell us.
Yes, I'll collect it in the meantime.
But we have already given you that liberty. You did not avail it.
We'll collect it.
GI of this IA?
We have served because the cause list shows the name of the deputy also.
And when we were issuing notice, you were not vigilant.
Then we'll serve.
Because the respondents are only three.
Yes,
We took that cost title of the main writ appeal and asked you to take notice.
Yes,
1 and 2 are CGC, you could have given it to them.
yes.
But here we don't see a notice being served on them to the CGC, DSGI. And number 2, you could have served your employer, could be served by Dusty. It would have been over by now.
Brahmaputra fertilizer can be served by the states. It has got an office. Other two are,
The SJ.
Government of India.
why do you need to wait for all this registered ADN? Go through the records, find out if this deputy SGI, central government, the 1 and 3 have been given copies.
No,
Planning
not
council
given,
have been
not
given copy, then
Not given.
I'll-
because they are not-
Brahmaputra you take by Dusty also. File an affidavit, we'll proceed.
Yes.
It's tippling.
By order dated 28/2025, notices were issued returnable today. The applicant was required to take steps for service of notice on the respondents by registered post with AD. Today, the learned counsel for the applicants have submitted that the respondent number 1 and the respondent number 3 are the Union of India represented by their particular represented
DSGI.
to the secretary of the particular departments, and steps therefore may be taken on the office of the deputy SGI. He has further prayed, he has further made a prayer to allow him to serve the opposite party number 2, that is the Brahmaputra Valley Fertilizer Corporation Limited, by Dusty also. Full stop. The prayers made by the learned counsel for the applicant is allowed. Extra copies, notice be served on the
DSGI.
deputy, office of the deputy SGI within a period of 3 working days. And Dusty steps on the respondent number 2 be taken within a period of 1 week from today. After service of notice, the applicant shall file an affidavit to that effect. List the matter again on
22 of October.
22nd of October, 24th of October, along with the affidavit to be filed by the petitioner.
Obliged.
You have been declared a foreigner.
Yes,
The
my lord.
writ petition is pending.
Yes, my
Have
lord.
you filed a writ petition on that also?
No, I don't think so, my lord. That is the point, my lord. He's currently he's my lord interim worker.
Have you challenged that finding of the,
My lord, that
Finding
part,
of-
my lord, actually, I am newly engaged this matter, my lord. So I have gone
you
through the record, my
have
lord.
instructions completed? This is
My lord, I have gone through the record, my lord, but there is no such order in the review petition as well, I am, my lord. So I will, and will consult with the earlier engaged council, then it will be clarified, my lord. And that totally in review in annex, my lord.
আরে আপনি opinion to select করে পড়ে ডিক্লেয়ার রিভিউ করে দিতে পারেন রিভিউ লিখে পরিষ্কার করি ও মোর লাগা
What we are understanding is.
Yes,
If he has been declared as a foreigner.
Yes.
We allow this review today. Say, we allow this review today. What happens to that order which is where already you have been declared a foreigner?
Yes.
That is not before us.
yes, my lord, that will be got to challenge.
So now in view of the uh, changed circumstances,
Yes, my lord.
unless that challenge comes before us, we have to let the review go. That's good.
It's correct, my lord.
চ্যালেঞ্জই করে নিতে
My level of authority.
রিভিউ তো কি হচ্ছে ডিকশনারি অপিনিয়ন 12-11 দিয়ে দেয়
Ali,
Yes, lordship.
he has been taken into custody
Yes, my lord.
because he has been declared as a
It's
foreigner.
honor, Yes,
Then how in the review petition you're asking for a bail? This bail petition has to go.
Yes.
You have to ask for bail
Hindi
by
my lord,
challenging that.
original opinion.
My lord,
Opinion
12/11/2018 order.
That order is of 2018.
18, my lord.
Not under challenge.
Not a bit,
1 year gone.
not one.
Usual bail also
1 year,
gone.
already 4 years, 5, 6 years.
Usual bail also gone. Only on the ground of your age and your illness, you have to pray for that bail in that petition because that arrest is not because of the review.
Yes, I am understand, my lord.
We'll just adjourn it.
Yes,
We
my
make a mention in the order. For this reason, we are not unable to pass the order of bail and we just adjourn it.
Yes, my lord.
You take instructions.
Yes, my lord.
Pass the order in IA. Justice Chandil and counsel for the petitioner and so for the respondents. Next paragraph. In course of deliberations, it is revealed that during the pendency of this.
My lord, after passing of after the rejection by the honorable court, the opinion.
There's this. During the pendency of the connected review petition 19 of 2021, the learned foreigners tribunal 10 Borpeta at Patsala, in the meanwhile has passed final opinion in FT case number 152 of 2017. Full stop. No, not so, thereby declaring the petitioner to be foreigner. Next part. It appears that pursuant to the said opinion, the applicant has been taken into custody on
2/9, my lord.
2/9/2025.
No, sir, 24, my lord.
24.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. Therefore, next paragraph, therefore, in the opinion of the court, the application for bail can only be considered in an appropriate application where the opinion has been assailed, if any. Next, the learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he is awaiting instructions in the matter. Next, accordingly, the matter stands adjourned today. Based on
After vacation, my order is not possible.
it's okay. You tell us a date, we can give it whenever you want. Any Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday or Friday, please take any date of your convenience.
20 October 23rd or 20, no, sorry, my 14 or 15, my lord. 14 or
15.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, the opinion was passed not during the pendency of this review petition. But
Then?
Opinion was passed prior to filing of this review petition.
Is it?
Yes, my lord. The opinion was passed on 12/11/2018 itself. This review is filed in 2020, my lord.
Where is that opinion?
Opinion, your lordship will find in the, my lord, register, my lord, it is in the LCR. Not, it is not annexed in the, it is in the LCR. It is, they are in the my lord, file itself. They are in the file itself. File I have seen, the opinion. 12/11/2018 opinion.
No, that is of
Sahali Allah.
Sahari.
Yes, the petition.
This one,
So, yes,
page 71.
yes. No problem. This is my lord, probably misinstruction, but reviews filed only in 2020. Review filed on 20th November 2020.
Oh, they don't say during pendency. Huh?
So review,
My lord. My lord, if we challenge this order, then review automatically will go, my lord. Until unless this order is challenged, my lord. No.
Which order?
My lord,
12/8.
12/11/2018 order.
You have done it,
Yes, we have
in
done
page
it.
14.
Page 14 is there.
Page 14 of your review petition, kindly see. What is your second prayer?
We did not notice it.
You just challenged it in the review petition, can you do it?
it cannot be, man. No, my lord.
What is the
probably-
second prayer? This page 14.
You have only asked for stay.
Set aside in the interim
Yes.
pending a final decision.
Oh.
Stay the effect of
Yes.
the operation dated 12/11.
This was not,
And that was not granted.
and this was not challenged. This was not,
It was not
the
challenged.
challenge in the, my lord, 70, my lord, that 6075 in 2000.
Yes.
Recently engaged.
Yes, my lord.
There's some mistake. We won't say anything.
I'm back in October.
So don't say about pendency. Say that
Review note.
filing of the review petition, the final opinion is passed. Huh? It's 71. There's some mistake has happened. I review the list the review petition along with the connected IA answers.
Hello, blessed.
Upgraded item 30.
Itu lo করে নিতে। 29. 29.
Thirty-one.
May I please, sir? Because kindly pass over time being. Mr. Mohanto is on legs, look.
Thirty-eight, a supply item.
When the instant matter lordship directed me to obtain instruction and file an affidavit lordship. As regards supplying a translate copy of voter list lordship. In this regard, I have filed my affidavit lordship. So in my instruction, lordship. Affidavit at page 67 lordship.
Understood.
That's
About the translation part.
lordship. Lordship, from instruction, if someone wants to apply for certified copy lordship, they have to visit an online portal that is online-district.mtron.in.
Yes.
In that, while applying for an application, they have the option to apply in 4 languages, lordship. One, English, Assamese, Bengali, and Boro. Lordship. After applying for the application, they get an acknowledgement and through an SMS. Lordship. After that, when the application is provided to the data is provided to the applicant, lordship. There are 2 portions in that application. One is a static data, lordship, and the other is dynamic. Static data, lordship, as regards the voter age, relationship, gender, as all. These data can be provided by the commission in Assamese and Bengali language, lordship. But the system provides it in the other dynamic data, which are like Moza name, district, and all drop-down list, your lordship. These are only in English, lordship. So it is because of that, even though we can provide the data as regards static data like voters' name, gender, that can be provided in Assamese and Bengali, lordship. But the drop-down list details can be provided only in English. So because of the uniformity in all the district.
Who translates it?
This
From the Assamese version
lordship.
to the English name.
The applicant, your lordship, when they apply it, they while most of the applicants that we are receiving, most of them are there submitting the application in English itself, lordship.
Very well. The name is there in Assamese in the original voter list.
Voter list, lordship.
Now you are giving him a certified copy in English.
Lordship.
Who translates?
Yes.
M-A-Z-I and M-O-Z-I,
Lordship,
B-U-R-B-O-O-R.
Lordship,
Who certifies that this is correct?
Lordship.
Rosso becomes
Oh,
U
sorry, I
and
understand,
Big
Lordship.
O becomes double O.
Double O,
Who
Lordship.
certifies it is correct? How can you certify that translation part is
Lordship,
whatever?
that
His
is-
name,
I can understand, Lordship, but that is
Tajuddin,
Tajuddin,
whether there is a
Lordship.
gap or
They are
not,
just typing it as that while
double D,
applying.
single D.
Lordship, that I-
How can you certify that in English? That this
So it
is
is
correct
because-
translation.
So it is because of this difficulty, the department is also willing to provide the details in Assamese or Bengali as is required, Lordship, but
In your affidavit, you don't say it's a system generated translation.
Lordship,
In your affidavit, you are not saying that it is a system generated translation.
the translation, Lordship.
Translation.
Yeah, I understand, Lordship, because the instruction that was why told to me, Lordship, that although they have the provision to provide in Assamese and English, but the translation that my Lordship has rightly pointed out that who decides, suppose in the title it is Borua,
There is
what will
something
this
more.
be?
Age.
Age,
Typographical error.
typographical error,
In
Lordship.
a certified copy. I read the
ID,
Assamese
Lordship.
7 as English 9. For some reason, I'm thinking of something else. And Okhomia 17 years, I take it down to be 19 years.
19.
I type it up. Happens.
No, no. It's subject,
29, 59. Can happen.
that has to be certified by the copy, the person who will put it down there, Lordship.
Therefore,
True copy.
when you are saying about static data
Lordship,
and the non-static data,
Lordship,
then we also have to know
Lordship.
this translation is auto-generated. Or you see, for example, nowadays you have this Google
Yes,
translator.
Lordship, it's, if you type in English, it comes in Assamese, Lordship.
It comes in
Okay.
Assamese. So it's a system generated.
System generated.
And so you'll have to bring us clarification on that also. Who does that data entry? Is
Lordship.
it manually done or it's a system generated?
As I am told, Lordship, even I'll obtain the further instruction, Lordship, but I was told that this is manually done as regards the Lordship static data part, Lordship. But the, as regards the drop down menus, those are system generated, Lordship.
Admittedly, you have hundreds of applications every day.
Lordship,
So hundreds of names are being typed in every day.
Lordship, that is the,
Just for the purpose of our understanding,
Lordship.
please come to the chamber. We'll retire for five minutes. You just explain things to us. We do not want to ask here.
Yes,
You and Mr. Pang, please
Lordship.
come in. We'll-
Thanks for writing. Okay. Sarah is reading.
Translation. Translation to the can to মানুষ সাইন দিতে পারে সিংহতে কিমান বলতে পারে
Limited, my lord. We file extension period, your lordship, my lord, appoint to dispose of the entire matter. So extension was not considered.
You did not avail the bail.
No, bail was granted, my lord. He left, my lord. He left for job, my lord. And there is a communication gap.
He did not appear.
No.
Then he was called.
So this all court, my lord, observed that the entire matter will be decided, my lord. Issue was, my lord, certified copy was not taken into consideration. No, I am not in custody, my lord.
I don't know. Fulfill the conditions. of
Lost,
bail till
lost,
now.
yes, lost. I filed, my lord. Your lordship rejected, my lord. Not considered because your lordship appoint that entire matter will be decided. I have been closed, my lord. Number four. It will be.
As well as the also for the respondents. Next one. Pursuant to the learned standing counsel for the ECI has submitted that pursuant to order dated 11/8/2025, an affidavit has been filed. However, perusal of the same, certain more clarifications are required. Accordingly, the learned standing counsel for the Election Commission of India seeks some further time to obtain instructions and to apprise the court about the issue of certified electoral roll. Next. We take note of the fact that in this stage, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that initially when the matter was moved by an order dated 30/9/2022, this court was inclined to grant bail to the petitioner. However, as the petitioner was outside the state, he could not take bail in terms of the order dated 29/2022. Thereafter, the petitioner had moved an IA Civil 1782 of 2025, seeking extension of time to take bail, which was rejected by order dated 11/8/2025. On the ground of delay and laches on part of the petitioner to take bail. Submitted that the court was of the view that the petition can be disposed of in the next state of its name. Next matter. In light of the query of the court, which is required to be responded by the Election Commission of India, as the hearing of this matter cannot be taken up, court is inclined to comment despite objection to the prayer for bail by the non-standing cause to the active matters. Court is inclined to grant bail to the petitioner, namely so and so, by providing 10 days time to take bail. This time also 10 days time.
Yes, I'm
This
obliged.
time to take bail. With two solvent sureties of like amount with the satisfaction of the Superintendent of Police, Border, Dhubri. Is very clear that the absence of taking bail within time allowed is an absence. This on. Yes, when?
27th of October.
27, 10, 25. Next paragraph, before that you said, standing also of the ACS, the question that downloaded a copy of this order, be considering the purpose. Enabling to receive instructions.
Okay.
In item number 32, there was a report asked to be submitted. Medical.
This 31, Mr.
At-
Walter is not there. Oh, you're here.
Yes, I have seen that নতুন নোট মাইলার্স নোটিশ দিবাই নাই নোটিশ দিবাই নাই ৰ'ব
You're still appearing.
notice is yet to be issued, my lord.
No, I have appeared on the very first day of coming to know, my lord.
So on issuance of notice, he appeared.
My lord.
He, some sort of telepathy got news that,
Oh, yes,
the
I'm
omnibus
sorry,
passed
my lord,
in the year.
I'm back on.
And we are questioning him that he's still appearing. And that question is dependent on his appearance now.
My lord.
And yes, your
lord,
fault.
I have been directed to file a, my lord, reply, my lord. I had filed a reply for a petition record, my lord.
It's come on report record.
Yes, my lord.
It's not there.
I had filed, my lord. Perhaps my learned friend also has got it.
From your chamber, you shouted and the person in the jail could hear it.
It is judicial proceeding, my lord. Judicial proceeding.
No, because these things, we'd have to take it serious that your affidavit is not here.
My
When
lord,
did you file it?
I filed it on my lord 10/9/2025.
Come from? Affidavit in which,
A show cause was issued to me, my lord, right memo dated.
in which, you filed it.
I
with the
filed a
petition?
reply, not an affidavit, a reply, my lord. Reply to the show cause which was issued to me.
No, no.
Right memo number so and so dated 1/9/2025. Oh, it was handed over to the registry, my lord. Thereafter, perhaps it is not tagged with the records.
It's not an affidavit, madam.
No,
It's a reply.
reply.
It's a
It's not a-
reply.
No, no, reply in this manner, that's why it's not tagged here. It has come in this manner. No, this won't do.
No, if you look
Reply in this form. Reply in this form will not do, you'll have to file an affidavit.
uh,
What is your stand?
My lord, in my affidavit, my lord, so far as that notary, my lord, produced,
No, your affidavit is not there.
my lord.
It's only a reply.
It's not an affidavit, it's a reply.
It's a reply.
It's a
My lord,
reply, my lord. Because I have been asked to give a reply to the show cause issued by the registry, that reply I had given, my lord.
No, no, reply must always be in the affidavit.
My lord. Then, my lord, I'll make an affidavit and submit it, my lord, by Monday.
Okay. But next week would be very difficult to take it up. We are taking it up after the puja vacations.
My lord.
Your lordship kindly see the page 3, my lord.
Page 3 of the reply.
No, my lord, page 3 of the that documents, my lord. That is. Brief fact of the case, page 3. That in this regard,
Yeah.
register note, my lord.
Yes,
In this regard, let a separate interlocutory proceeding in the registered in respect of the so cause notice issued to the advocate clerk and the mandatory notary public by way of interlocutory application and oblique this case in this writ petition to be taken up independently. So is it required to, my lord, register another case or independently? my lord?
no, because we have segregated it because the rate petition will.
Yes, it will
continue
go
separate,
in own course, my lord. Yes,
and this will be alive for different purpose.
my lord.
Yes.
My lord.
Because even if for some reason this rate petition gets disposed of today.
My lord, that will be
still
remain.
we'll
This
keep
will,
it.
yes.
And my lord, that is one aspect. Another aspect, my lord, yes, I have seen their reply, my lord, but I have not gone through. But in this is a judicial proceeding, by way of affidavit, it will be, my lord.
Affidavit, because it has, there are many reasons.
My lord.
Because the sanctity of the judicial proceedings go away when the affidavits are sworn. there's no-
My lord.
Because the notice which was served upon me, my lord, directed me to file a reply.
We understand, but in the High Court, no proceedings are by way of reply in the sort of this,
I know, I have understood.
this manner replies can't be taken.
My lord, my lord.
It's a only paper. It is.
No, Mrs. Chaudhary.
No, it has,
For a moment, don't, we are not proposing to you that file an affidavit.
no, my lord, we'll
It
file
must
it.
come from you.
No, no, I'll
Because
file it, my
then,
lord.
because a reply without the support of an affidavit, we are likely to reject it. And
My-
So-
No, that I understood, my lord.
So we are for a moment not telling you what to do.
My lord.
That is the prerogative of the learned counsel.
My lord.
We can do only what we know.
My lord. I bow down to your lordship, my lord.
Okay. Yes, Mr. T.J. Mahanta, the senior counsel. And senior standing counsel for this court, assisted by Mr. T. Gogoi. C. Gogoi, yes, relevant counsel. As well as Mr. S. A. Ahmed and counsel for in the connected petition. as well as Mr. G. Chaudhary, learned counsel, appearing for the appearing for Kazibar, K-A-Z-I-B-A-R, Rahman,
That's
advocates clerk,
I am appearing for Abdul Quddus, madam.
Abdul Qaddus, okay. Sri Abdul, A-B-D-U-L, Qaddus, K-A-D-D-U-S, or notary public. And you are appearing for,
Kajipur, Kajipur.
as well as Mr. J. Abedit, learned counsel, appearing for Kazibar, K-A-Z-I-B-A-R, Rahman, advocates clerk. Next, the learned counsel for the notary. Sometime has submitted that he has filed an proposed reply. However, he would be filing an affidavit in filing this stand by way of an affidavit. And your
Same prayer, even I filed the reply.
okay. Next, similarly, come up the learned counsel for the advocates clerk has also put that he has also filed a show cause reply, and if also pays for some time to file the reply in form of affidavit. If the prayer is allowed, the affidavit shall be filed in the meantime with copy to the learned senior standing also for the court. Next, this
Can there be a fixed date, my lord? On a fixed date, my lord?
we are fixing it.
24th of October.
24th of 24th and 2025. Other matter
was-
has to be adjourned because we have to rise.
For whatever happens, I had only one phrase in mind. I thought, my lord, I'd say that and that would be the, my lord, the most appropriate. Michakam Dukadam, my lord. Michakam Dukadam.
I would be very understanding it. What's the time here? Maybe taken on Wednesday.
As annexer D1. Page number 28 is the order and relevant portion lordship will find at page number 29. After hearing all the parties, lordship passed this order. Direction lordship will find at page number 34. This is I'm referring for writ petition number 4617. No, this is pending. Lordship disposed of petition is lordship in which review is filed, that is 4828/2013. Yes, lordship, as per number 4. And for several dates, lordship petitioner is not appearing before the court. Lordship, kindly see the last order of in this case. No, no, no. No, Lordship. এটা কোনটো পাস কৰিছে ৰিভিউড কৰিছে নেকি? কোনটো? 19, this is the order in 4828. It is the annexer of this case, Lordship. Read petition number 4617. We have filed a reply, Lordship, in this, for stay was there. For stay vacation petition, we have filed, Lordship. For this I. Yes, 2885. In I, Lordship, I am representing Hadaya Begum, Lordship. I am the applicant, Lordship. Lordship, Lordship will find in IA, page number 11, Lordship. We have challenged that order. We have filed this IA for stay vacation of this, for vacation of the stay in this petition, Lordship. In para number, page number 11. 12 is the relevant portion, Lordship. Uh, 19 order is, Lordship, is will find at page number 40. Page number 40, Lordship. And 41, he has been heard at that time as respondent number 7. Okay. My lord, in this case, Lordship already passed an order in favor of the respondent here in this case. So direction was, Lordship, to accommodate the petitioner, applicant, Lordship, as she was physically handicapped person. So there was a quota, Lordship, reserve category, Lordship. That is why Lordship pass a direction. Lordship will find at page number 46. Lordship, till today, this order has not been followed up, Lordship. Thereafter, what happened? Lordship, kindly see the page number 12. Here in the paragraph number 3, I'm applicant. Lordship. No, not this order. I am challenging this page number 12. That was in my favor, Lordship. Page number 12, order dated 28/6/2019. In paragraph number, in third paragraph, it is mentioned, Lordship. May I read, Lordship? Learned counsel for the petitioner has prayed for suspending the impugned termination order dated 18/6/2019 on the ground that no notice has been given to the petitioner, though the said termination order has been issued by the authorities purportedly in compliance of the order passed by this Code in WBC number 4828/2013, a copy of which annexed at Annexure E to the writ petition. So he has stated that he has not given any chance by this code. But in that order, your lordship has heard him at length, lordship. Several times this matter came up before your lordship, and after going through holder record, your lordship has passed the order, lordship. And thereafter, suddenly, lordship, because of this reason, lordship, he has, lordship. Eighteen six, 2009, 20. Eighteen six, your lordship will find at in writ petition number 4617. 18/6 order is there at page number 22. Particular is at page number 24. They are not appearing since long. Yes. Verification is not admitted right now. I'm the wait. Yes. Or stay vacation, Lordship. Stay order dated 28 28/6/2019. No. Well, because of this order, she has not been accommodated, and as well as the direction past this honorable court. No, because matter is, this matter related to 2013, Lordship. That is why Lordship passed in the year 2019, this order in favor of the petitioner. Lordship, Lord, obliged.
My lord, notice, my lord, commercial quantity, my lord.
My lord. My lord, very unfortunate, my lord, fortunately or unfortunately, my lord, I am before your lordship, my lord, I have the privilege, my lord. This is for the second time, my lord. Only, my lord, I, with due respect, my lord, only it is very limited issue, my lord. Question, my lord, that raised in the present petition, my lord, for the second time, my lord. This is only, my lord, for a limited purpose, whether, my lord, statutory mandatory provision has been followed or not. While my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord. No, my lord, lordship is quite aware, my lord. Yes, my lord. My lord, lordship is. Let him respond, no problem at all, my lord, but at least shorted, maybe accommodate, my lord.
Fifteen, my lord. My lord.
No, status, my lord. Trial is, my lord, in the defense stage, my lord, TW stage. If convenient, my lord. NDPS 18 of, my lord, 2023, my lord. Special charge, my lord, Karbi Along, my lord, NDPS. NDPS case number 18 of 2023, my lord. My lord, course title, my lord, it will be, my lord, page 2, my lord. Okay, next step, court copy. Calendar. कोर्ट कब खुलेगा पहले? My lord, the next date is fixed on 24, my lord, this month, DW, my lord, defense witness, my lord. So by that time, yes, already closed, my lord. 313 is examined, my lord. So my lord, by that time, my lord, it is convenient, my lord, shorter date, my lord, at least.
Vacation.
Otherwise, I'm on very limited, my lord, issue. '27. Yes. Yeah. Of course, my lord. Oblige, my lord. Oblige. My lord, that one thing may be kindly indicated regarding, my lord, crown of arrest, whether it is there on the record, because we apply for certified copy, my lord. Certified copy could not be furnished to us, my
Scan
lord.
copy of the TCR is needed. Then my lord, scan copy of the TCR is needed, my lord. Along with the status report. My lord, otherwise, my lord, earlier, my lord, that is rejected on my lord, that is my lord, that is my lord, that is section 50, that time, my lord, 50 and 50 notice, my lord, along with the arrest memo, my lord. Along with the arrest memo.
Section 47 and 48, my lord.
48 now.
Yes.
No.
Earlier,
That time,
it
my lord,
was section 50
50
and
and 50A, my lord.
50A, my lord.
'50A. Those production order also we required to my lord, because my lord, if my lord, they get that opportunity to, yes, my lord, that is the order, my lord, on the date of production, my lord, that is fine. My lord, that time, my lord,
Consent court.
my lord.
I'm obliged, my lord.